You know, those guys that's out there listed, they were young.
They were really young. They were mine and Chase's.
Right there, see,
they were mine and Chase's age.
They were young. Their families had to say goodbye to practically babies. That was hard. I mean, grieving.
I'm so sorry that you.
Was heartbroken up to the day she passed.
I'm so sorry that all these families are going through this traumatic experience. But I hope that you get reconnected with your family members and you can move on and live the rest of your afterlife together.
I was going to say, Chase, come on out. We'll take a little bit of a break here and decide what our next step wants to be.
I think we're probably going to go upstairs next.
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn this off.
Upstairs and
that was it in the basement.
Wow.
So that's what that town like in the corner is.
Who is here?
That farm they're putting out, that's what the next thing is, the whole thing is on, but he's going to do it right now.
Who's here right now? What is your name?
You think we're disgusting?
Why are you the only one being here? Or you like the men in the stairwell?
There's more of it. Just went right by Chase.
While we were taking a break and eating our supper, I guess you could say, the cat ball kept going off and so did the REM pod.
It's a chance.
I'm going to turn up the sleep rate.
It just sounds like commercials at the moment.
Who's here? What is your name?
There's a couple orcs that keep
You want me upstairs?
I saw like 3 or 4 of them.
You want us upstairs?
I think I said let's go.
How old are you? Were you one of the miners, or were you here with us at the train station?
800.
So what's weird is whenever we just heard that full sentence there, this sleep rate, every time we hear something like that, you can see how fast I'm going through radio channels right now. So whenever you get a full sentence with a thing like that was probably like 5 radio stations in the matter of a second. Can you turn on one of the cat balls? Since I've been here, I haven't seen a single one go off. What was that?
That was behind us.
Listen, this could be an old building and that's fine.
I'll tell you one more time. Tell me this one more time.
That was fun.
Sound like a female.
Spike real quick. Spike real quick.
Whoa!
Yeah, see? I knew I just got it spike real quick.
Turn on the cat ball, please.
Well, no wonder. There's orbs by it.
There's more by it.
Yeah, there's one that just
What
went
was
up.
that? Hey, Did you ever hear it?
What did he say?
I don't know.
We'll find out when I edit.
You guys are talking. I don't think you'll come through.
That's because your spike's over here.
Oh,
Yeah, the EMF spike.
what do you want? Why are you here? Are you here because one of your personal items are here?
That's gift.
Come downstairs.
I heard that. I'm not sure exactly what it said.
If you want us to stay downstairs, turn on the cat ball.
That was a song.
Yeah, but you're saying that's like multiple radio stations at once. So,
Every once in a while, when something comes through, there's an orb that goes around Chase.
can you tell me what your name is? Alright, we're gonna go upstairs now. Is that okay?
It's weird because something actually wanted him over there, and now that he's over there, it's like,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to.
maybe that's it. Because we're here.
Who's here with me right now in the stairwell? Can you speak into the device into my hand? Who is here right now? Say your name, please. Did you want me in here alone? They're talking in the background, so the camera's picking that up. The camera just clicked. Have you been setting off the REM pod into cat balls? Can you do that again for me? There's a device behind the camera. It's an EMF meter or a Gauss meter. If you touch that and put your energy into it, it'll go off. Can you do that? How many people are here with me? Okay, we're going to listen to it now. Who's here with me right now in the stairwell? Can you speak into the device into my hand? We're going to have to redo that because it picked up your whispering. Who is here right now? Say your name, please. What? Did someone just move something?
Out here?
Yeah,
No.
that was something moving. I heard that. Yeah, it sounded like something upstairs just moved, like dragged across the floor.
I know, it sounded like a chair or something.
Alright, I'm going round two. No whispering. This is the second time recording this. Can you say your name into the device into my hand, please? Are you part of the mining crew that died in the explosion? Can you say where you are right now? Do you mean any harm to us? Are we invading your personal space? Do you like me being alone in the stairwell? Can I put one of the girls in the stairwell? A minute and 4, so we'll see what we got there. Which one is, it's this one. Okay, so I did hit the wrong one. Whoopsie whoopsie. Time recording this. Can you say your name into the device into my hand, please? Are you part of the mining crew that died in the explosion? Can you say where you are right now? Do you mean any harm to us? There's something.
I heard that.
Are we invading your personal space? Do you like me being alone in the stairwell? Can I put one of the girls in the stairwell? Camera, go and play that last little bit there for the recording. That's me. About to us to move locations. Oh, yeah. Oh, here, I'll show you guys before I do that. We were in a haunted cemetery, and you can hear me and my friend were quiet walking up. Nah. So, when we get back or get down, something like that. Hello. Here's what's up. We'll go ahead and furnace kicking on. Time recording this. Can you say your name into the device into my hand, please? Are you part of the mining crew that died in the explosion? Can you say where you are right now? Do you mean any harm to us? Are we invading your personal space? Do you like me being alone in the stairwell? Can I put one of the girls in the stairwell? Alright. Let's go ahead and grab some of the equipment that's scattered around and let's go upstairs.
Hannah. They don't like women, do they?
I don't think so.
Can you touch the antenna? It'll go by there.
I love this
Put flashlights
EMF
on.
meter.
You
It's so
can
much
start
brighter
with
than
flashlights
mine.
on.
Here, Deborah, I'll your phone again.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead so we don't have any light pollution.
Can you turn that flashlight back off?
Alright, how do you shut this door? Don't want to break it.
Oh,
There's a bungee cord on it right now.
Side.
I'll get it.
What, you think I'm stupid? Don't know how to work a bungee cord?
Where's the other EMF report? Oh, you have the other one? Okay. Because this one's spiking, not real high, but it is spiking.
That's a picture you should take. You should have got the camera.
It's only green. It's only going to show up green.
Wait, do I?
Yeah, but it was spiking higher, not real high, but it was spiking.
Can you turn that flashlight off for us so you can ask some questions?
All you need to do is tap it, the torch.
Not this one. This one doesn't. This one would be very hard to.
You have it set, Gabriella, easily. Or, there you go. There you go. Is there something here with us that wants to communicate with us? Can you touch that flashlight again and turn it back on?
I see that thing spiking.
If something is here with us, can you turn that flashlight back on for us, please?
I said push.
This is click. There it is.
I'm gonna take a
Go
picture.
ahead, you can do it. Turn it the whole way on.
This is gonna be very bright, so you might want to shield your eyes.
Wow. I'm lying.
I just told you to shield your eyes.
Go ahead, turn the flashlight the whole way on. Can you do that? You're getting it the whole way. Come on, you got it.
Well, it's having difficulties. Come on, you almost got it.
I'm going to move that round pod. I'm going to put a cap all there instead.
It's having a hard time.
It is having a hard time, but the gauze meter's clicking a little bit too, like something's going by there to try.
Hey, the one in the event I did in the basement, it took a while too. So.
Come on, you almost got it. You're getting closer.
Can you turn the flashlight the whole way on?
You can see me. There's a device right here. All I gotta do is grab the antenna, and it glows all kinds of colors.
Can you turn the flashlight the whole way off? Would that be easier if you turn it the whole way off?
Here, you want to hold this? If it starts spiking up, y'all can let us know if it's anywhere near you. If it goes up to yellow, orange, or red, just go ahead and let us know.
It's really trying to get that off. Instead of getting it off, can you just turn it all the way on? Would that be easier for you?
I had it on.
It's like really close to being turned off. It's just having difficulties. Is it on the right thing?
Jeffrey.
Is there Jeffrey?
Is there a Jeffrey related to the road?
None that I know.
We've got so many different names.
Mhm.
We've got Jeffrey, we've got Alexander, Joseph.
But here again, it's an old building with a lot of
Yeah,
items in it.
yeah. There's the flashlight on. So somebody's here with us then? Would you like to talk
I'm
with
Storm.
us? Go ahead, turn it as bright as you can get it if you want to communicate with us.
Imagine if I put my round pod out there in the hallway and it just starts going insane. I'm going to do that. I'm going to keep the door propped open there so we can hear.
That is staying a solid yellow.
Yeah, it's
Oh, it's back to white now. It was a solid yellow. Isn't it funny how I said that?
I'm putting a strap on you.
oh my goodness. I'm going to strap you to the door.
Okay, so since you can't turn the flashlight all the way off because you're having difficulties, we'll still ask you questions. Just turn it all the way on. I
It
saw
just
that.
started flickering.
Just turn it all the way on to answer our question then. Is there a female here?
Can you turn the flashlight off? Go ahead and turn the flashlight off because I want to ask you a couple questions.
Having a really hard time doing
Should I go
that.
grab my flashlight maybe?
It might be easier than this one. This one, I think, this is not one of the best flashlights to use in this method.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully he won't make too much noise. Let's do an EVP
Hey, I'm
session.
going to grandpa downstairs, and if we hear it.
Okay, well, we're doing EVP,
So be very quiet.
we're hunting rabbits.
I will have to watch. Okay, let's see if we can get a name on here. We'll do an EVP session. Okay, we're on the second floor of the museum. Is there somebody here that wants to communicate with us? That was Abby moving. Can you give us a name? We have Irene here. You should be familiar with Irene. Can you give me the name of one of the psychics that came in here with Miss Irene? Is there a reason why you like hanging out on this second floor up here? Is it the displays that's up here that caught your attention? Do you like going over there in the bathroom area or that little office area over there? Can you give me your name? Are you the one that likes to hang out there on the steps, on the stairway? Last question, are you here with us now? Are you here? Okay, we're gonna play this back. See if we caught anything. Okay, we're on the second floor of the museum. Is there somebody here that wants to communicate with us? That was Abby moving. Can you give us a name? We have Irene here. You should be familiar with Irene. Can you give me the name of one of the psychics that came in here with Miss Irene?
Go down there.
Is there a reason why you like hanging out on this second floor up here? Is it the displays that's up here that caught your attention?
There's an orb that just went by you, Mom. Or by your head.
Do you like going over there in the bathroom area or that little office area over there?
My REM pod started going off when I was setting it up.
Can you give me your name? Are you the one that likes to hang out there on the steps, on the stairway? Last question, are you here with us now? Are you here?
Are you guys whispering in there?
I didn't catch anything.
No
I didn't hear anything.
EVP of whatsoever.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
We haven't caught anything on EVP yet.
No, we've got
The thing is, though, when you said
downstairs.
what is your name, Or can you tell me your name? It said uncertain on the necrometer, like right as you said that.
Yeah.
So it can't tell you its name, I guess.
Or a sneeze, I could do
Are you doing the dowsing rods?
I knew I was going to have a sneeze.
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. Is there somebody here with us? Do you remember Irene? Can you cross these over if you know that Irene is over here sitting with us?
Dowsing rods don't seem to be working either this time.
Are you familiar with Jack? Is there somebody here with us?
And you had another orb go by you.
Do you prefer communicating with males, men?
Seven.
Said anger before.
It always keeps saying 7. Like 7, 70, 17.
Well, there's,
I don't know what's 70.
It's not like, I'm not getting even any response on this.
Yeah, the dowsing rods, we haven't got anything with
Must
the
be
7
maybe
rods.
because it wants to communicate with male.
Well, there's one way to
Go
find
ahead,
out.
babe.
Yeah,
One way to
take him
find
in your
out.
hand and see if it'll answer you.
Want me to sit
You wanna
there?
sit
or
here?
Want me to stand up? I can do whatever.
It don't matter to me.
I like to sit down so I can rest
I
my
had
arms.
luck with the rods.
You had luck with the rods?
Yeah. So I know they work up here.
Okay.
It's just
Do you
not
want me
working.
and Sharon to go downstairs? Are we interrupting you?
No, not at
You
all.
sure?
No, you guys are being
as
quiet.
You
nice.
guys are good.
Yeah, no.
You guys are
We
perfectly
were
fine.
down, if we do catch anything, that would be awesome if you watched us catch it. Go ahead, Chase.
Honestly, the camera during editing
I wonder if we
picks
give
up
it
more
to
than
Miss
what we
Irene.
do with our eyes.
Yeah, we had one time where we were doing a video, and we heard nothing. Like, we didn't get any EVPs. We barely got anything. But we went back and we were editing, and there was voices in between us talking. And it was so interesting.
Wow.
So you guys have activity up here?
Yes.
Yeah, she said that there's
Yes.
a lot up here.
Well, there's a flashlight over there. It works almost like this one, but it's a little easier to
I get a
manipulate.
feeling more like,
Over there.
yeah, in this
Well, you can go set the
section
flashlight
and
up over there. It's over there by their phone. But let's go ahead and get this going here.
Ryan Michaels actually introduced us to the spirit here on this, and the spirit was here communicating.
He's already getting the dowsing rods doing things.
Do you want to talk to me across these rods?
Yep.
Did it cross them over?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Do you not want to talk to Diane?
Yep.
Sorry, Diane. In love. Can you point to who you talked to before we came here today?
It says correct when you said, do you not want to talk to Diane? It says correct.
Crossed.
I'm slightly crossing now.
Yeah, but I have them leveled out so they hit each other, but can you point to the person you talked to before we came here today?
Orb just went by Chase.
Yes. Okay. Without me fixing these rods, who did you just talk to before we came here today?
It's slowly creeping up.
It's downstairs.
That's downstairs.
Mary.
Mary.
If you're downstairs and you can hear my voice, come up here and talk to us. Don't be afraid. Hey, the REM pod works.
Yeah, we heard that clear.
What's your name? Oh, hi.
They just came upstairs, I think.
They just came upstairs, yeah. Can you turn off that flashlight?
Yep.
Easier.
Yeah.
If you want us to use the flashlight instead of the rods, can you turn that light on if it's easier for you? Turn on the flashlight if it's easier for you. If so, we'll use the flashlight instead of the rods. Is that accurate?
Yeah, it said 1900s downstairs too.
Mhm.
In that ticket room.
Okay, so we're going to keep using the rods. Sound good?
Can you turn the flashlight back on? Are you still here?
I heard steps or something over there.
Yeah, it was behind us. Oh, behind you guys.
Well, it let us be known that it was over there.
Yeah.
Whether it wants to continue.
Okay, more rods. Did you help build this building? No. Were you part of the mine explosion? That was in that room. That was something that fell. That wasn't no building settling.
That wasn't
Did someone just knock something over in that office over there? Can you point where you want us to go?
I'm
Yeah,
hearing
'cause I
something
didn't-
over there.
I am.
Yeah,
too.
behind us. Look, the thing realm. It stopped
Can you
being.
point to where you want us to go? It's weird. It's like it's only using one rod.
There's the
Yeah.
flashlight again.
You guys want to ask any questions?
If I knock a couple times, can you knock back? I'm gonna do dun 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 dun, and if you can do dun dun, here I go. Can you finish that pattern for us?
What
What was that?
That was the handle rattling.
Can you do one more time? If that was something over there, can you finish that pattern? Dun, 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 dun.
I heard
heard it.
a very, very
Yep, it
slight
went dot
doot, doot.
dot. Yep.
It was a very, very, very light tap, but it was definitely boom, boom.
Okay. Well,
Can you knock a couple times for us? Can you confirm that?
It said woman on the necrometer.
I could be referring to your mother,
Could
any
be.
of you, or someone in there.
Are you trying to get our attention?
It says
Absolutely.
absolutely. Right after you said that. Literally.
We're not allowed in that room. But do you want us to go into that room? Turn on that flashlight if that's what you're trying to get us to do. The flashlight over there, where I'm staring at. It's a torch, you would call it. All you gotta do is twist the top of it and put your energy into it, and it'll turn on.
Is there something about that room
Nope.
that you want to
That's what
tell
it's
us
trying
about?
to do.
That wants our attention? We're here now. Can you talk to us? I'll turn the slide off here. Is there something in here that wants our attention? Did you just hear that? It sounded like something over there.
I'm facing that one.
Is
There's an
there
orb.
something? I've got the shakes. I've got the shakes really bad. Is there something over there that wants to try to get our attention? Yeah, I've got the shakes really bad.
There's an orb. There's a couple orbs in here. I saw 2 already.
Here, I'll give you the millimeter. Wherever you are. Here, give this to your mother. Millimeter. You're reading 70 right now.
Is there something behind me or here that wants our attention? Temperature's dropping a little bit.
I got the chills now too. And I have a jacket on.
Yeah, temperature's dropping. It's not substantial, but the temperature's dropping. It was over 70 and it's starting to drop.
EMF is going up to yellow. Look. Oh, no, it stopped.
Is the spirit here? Are you familiar with Irene? Do you communicate with Irene? This machine that's in my hand, if you want to let me know, you can make this temperature drop in here. You can come by me and its temperature on this meter will drop. It just went up. It's going up.
It's getting hotter in here.
Mm-hmm.
That's different.
It's going up. Look. It was down to almost 68. Now it's going up.
That just...
Is there
Hello,
somebody
honey.
here that remembers Irene, that likes talking to Irene?
This is going crazy.
You know, we do not introduce ourselves. We're investigators. We like trying to find out what the story is of whoever may be here and what may have happened, because sometimes the truth doesn't always come out after somebody had passed away. So we usually like to investigate so that we can tell the actual story of what had happened. My name is Diane.
My name is Abby.
I'm Gabriella.
And we mean no disrespect to you whatsoever. We're just trying to find out if there's something that you would like to tell us, or maybe you can tell something to us that you want to relay to Miss Irene. Can you come by one of us and make this gauge go up? Or down?
Saying at a 70 point.
It's going to red.
As soon as it
Every time you put the thing back on it, it went up to
Gabriella,
red
can
though.
you go over and I can do an EM? It went up to 71. It just went up. You can make that go up higher. If you want to come near us, Miss Irene is
Every
right over
time.
here by us. I know you know Miss Irene. Do you want me to get the recorder out? I have a little machine that you can actually speak into. We may not be able to hear you with our ears, but the machine will pick up your voice if there's something that you would like to say to any of us or Miss Irene. Would you like that? Can you make this temperature change?
There's a lot of cracking.
Can you knock on something to let us know that you're here? Is that you making that machine go up, the EMF? The colors are going up. It's not going up to red, but you sure are trying.
It was at red once. I just didn't get it on camera because every time I go to my
Every
camera, it
time
goes,
she moves
Every
it.
time
yeah.
it doesn't want, you don't want to be caught on camera. Is that what it is? Are you shy? Are you familiar with Ryan?
that sound?
What was that tapping? Did you hear that? It was a knocking.
That was above us.
It was doot doot.
That was 3 knocks above us.
Can you spike that machine right there if you're right in this room with us?
What in the world?
Gabriella, can you get my EVP recorder? Oh, that just spiked again.
Where's it at?
It's where I was sitting over there on that little ledge by the display over there. You'll see it, because I think we should do an EVP, because I think if we might catch something.
That was 3 knocks.
I could hear that.
And that was above us. I'm telling you, every time I put it by, it stops doing its thing.
Yeah, because it's been spiking. And I think with Irene being here, I think that maybe.
Yeah, I think you are part of the reason why it's so busy in here.
Oh, the spirits all know me because I spend so much time here and I talk to them.
Yeah.
They don't talk back, but
That's why I'm going to try to
I keep
get.
seeing orbs like go crazy in here.
Okay.
Like I've saw 3 already.
Bring it. You
Job,
did.
Betty, Skull, Muffs. What is that? Mumps. Azeriology. Yeah, what is
What is
I don't know what that is. That's a big word.
I don't know what that is either.
Need a quarter for the big word jar.
You can't. We're
The Wimber
not
education failed
stupid
us.
people, but that's an awful big word. Okay, we're gonna what this machine that I have in my hand here. It's a cool little machine. It's called an EVP recorder. What it will do is
Smoke.
anything that you want to say to us,
Does
we
anybody
may not
smoke?
be able to hear you, but if you speak into
No
this
results.
machine, it will pick up what you want
It's
to say.
It's saying that you're not going to get any results from it.
Oh, you're going to give me results. And Miss Irene is over here. You talk to Miss Irene all the time. Come on, don't play shy with us. I want you to go. I'm going to turn the machine on here. We're going to ask you some questions. Okay, we're recording right now. Now, you may hear a little bit in the background, but we're going to try to ask some questions. Can you give us your name?
Do you like this spot? Is this one of your favorite spots?
That's Chase talking in the background.
I just got the best REM pod evidence I have ever.
Okay, I'm doing an EVP recording, so.
I'm sorry.
1 year ago.
Is there something that you want to say to Irene?
Tell them what your profession was.
See, there's Miss Irene. Can you tell us what your profession was?
Tell them something you like in this building.
Can I guess? Do you like that train display? You can say I'm wrong.
Do you feel at peace here?
We're going to let Miss Irene ask you a couple more questions because you're very familiar with her. Go ahead, Miss Irene.
Do you have something in this building?
Absolutely.
Have you been here a long time? Do you feel a connection to this building? Is there a part of this building that's very special to you? Would you give them one signal so they know you're really here?
Are you happy to be talking to Irene? I know you probably became very friendly with her. Okay, I'm going to play this back, but before I play it back, one last chance. Could you tell us what your profession was? And say hi to Miss Irene for us.
Come on, say hi to them.
Okay, we're gonna play it back.
Agree.
Agree. Okay. Well, let's see.
Gonna g-
Okay, we're recording right now. Now you may hear a little bit in the background, but we're gonna try to ask some questions. Can you give us your name?
Then whenever we were, I went down there after like maybe 3 minutes or so of recording, and I grabbed it. It was obviously turned off, but I set it up.
Do you like this spot? Is this one of your favorite spots?
And I got within this close of it, and so
That's Chase talking in the background.
3 feet away from it.
I just got the best groundwater evidence I have.
Okay, I'm doing an EVP recording, so.
I'm sorry.
1 year ago.
Is there something that you want to say to Irene?
Tell them what your profession was.
See, there's Miss Irene. Can you tell us what your profession was?
Envious. I guess they envy you.
Tell them something you like in this building.
Can I guess? Do you like that train display? You can say I'm wrong. I thought I heard railroad.
Do you feel at peace here?
We're going to let Miss Irene ask you a couple more questions because you're very familiar with her. Go ahead, Miss Irene.
Do you have something in this building?
Absolutely.
Have you been here a long time?
Battery's dying.
Do you feel a connection to this building?
I always loved it.
Yes, I do.
Is there a part of this building that's very special to you?
Handcraft.
Would you give them one signal so they know you're really here?
Hey, question for you guys. Did anyone who made something in this building die, like on like the train set?
Are you happy to be talking to Irene?
Blackmail.
I know you probably became very friendly with her.
Grandpa.
Okay, I'm going to play this back, but before I play it back,